आदिवासी एकता जिंदाबाद, आदिवासी एकता जिंदाबाद, आदिवासी एकता जिंदाबाद। हमू आका एक से, हमू आका एक से, हमू आका एक से। धरती की रक्षा कौन करेगा? हम करेंगे, हम करेंगे। धरती की रक्षा कौन करेगा? हम करेंगे, हम करेंगे। ज्ञान की रक्षा कौन करेगा? हम करेंगे, हम करेंगे। ज्ञान की रक्षा कौन करेगा? हम करेंगे, हम करेंगे। आदिवासी एकता जिंदाबाद, आदिवासी एकता जिंदाबाद। आवाज दो हमें, आवाज दो हमें। आदिवासी एकता जिंदाबाद, आदिवासी एकता जिंदाबाद। हाँ,
Mr. Man, come here, please, please. Yeah. थोड़े ऊंचे हैं, उनको उनके पीछे आने दो। या 32वां आदिवासी एकता परिषद का सांस्कृतिक एकता महासम्मेलन आज पानखेड़ा पीपलनेर महाराष्ट्र में शुरू होने जा रहा है। ये हमारा पूरे भारत के आदिवासियों का एक कह सकते हैं कि हमारा आदिवासियों का महाकुंभ है, एक सम्मेलन है। आज पूरे वर्ल्ड से, पूरे देश से तो आए हैं, पूरे वर्ल्ड से हमारे बीच में मेहमान आए हैं। आज से हम इसकी शुरुआत कर रहे हैं और कल हमारा रैली और मुख्य महासम्मेलन होगा। दिस 32nd आदिवासी एकता महासम्मेलन, a gathering from all over world, all over India. We are going to celebrate our annual function, annual gathering and annual Mahakumbha. I would like to welcome our international guests from Iran, from New Zealand, from Nepal. I would like to request Ms. Hani Moghani to say a few words for this cultural function. And Mr.
member of the UN Permanent Forum.
She is a member of United Nations Permanent Forum for Indigenous People. And we are having Mr. Fulman Chaudhary. He is not here. He is a chairperson of a UN Permanent Forum for Indigenous People. And Mr. Ban from New Zealand, he is tribal activist. I would like to request to say a few words for this function and how you feel to being the part of this program. Thank you, Ms. Moghani.
Hello everyone, this is a great privilege that I am here among you. Actually, I heard about this gathering 3 years ago. I tried to attend to this gathering, but I couldn't get the visa. But this time I had the opportunity to join you. And I know this gathering is one of the most hugest gathering of indigenous people, Adivasi and tribal people.
Chaudhary,
So very glad
Fulman ji.
that I am part of it.
Thank you. Thank you.
I warmly welcome Mr. Fulman Chaudhary, chairperson of United Nations Indigenous Peoples Forum. And I would like to request you, sir, to say a few words for this gathering and this our Mahakumbh. This is our Mahakumbh.
It's really a great pleasure to be here. I personally appreciate for your very wonderful initiative. Since long time, you have been engaging in this process. It is really great for the indigenous people to preserve and promote the rights of indigenous people across the Asia, not only in India, because a lot of things that we have facing a lot of challenging having such our rights, which is ensured by the international instrument and the UN declaration. But we are still facing a lot of challenging to be engaged with the mainstream of the process of the indigenous peoples rights, to promote the rights of indigenous people. So this gathering will be the most important to promote and preserve the rights of indigenous people for Indian tribal and indigenous people. So I'm really happy to be here, having with you. It's really beautiful place. So I think this gathering will be one of the most crucial step for the indigenous people, and we certainly achieve our mission through this gathering. Thank you very much.
So, on the behalf of present president of the Adivasi Ekta Parishad,
Come here, please.
I most welcome all of you. This is a proud moment for us that you are here with us.
Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So we warmly welcome our international guest, and Mr. Dosa Penton will inaugurate this ritual, and Mr. Hani Moghani and other guests will cooperate. I request all of you to get part in ritual. Thank you. थोड़ा सा जगह करेंगे.
Thank you.